one of my favorite flashlights is this little petite flashlight. It's a little heavy because it's durable, it's metal. Dropped it. It's perfect for those emergency backpacks that you should have at home. It has different tones of light. It has a laser. Now it does have UV light included with it. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it has a magnet on the back of it, right? If you're working on your car or maybe for emergency, you want to put it somewhere on the side, it could be hold it on. Now, in top of it, it does have a clip. You could clip it on top of your head with your hat, and then, or you could clip it on your belt. Now, this thing, the reason it's magnet is because the actual charging station is magnetic too. It has a USB and it's a magnet that just automatically attaches to it and starts charging. You could accelerate certain things with the UV light. It's perfect. At night, you're walking and there's, scorpions. This will actually highlight the scorpions, especially as people that live in Arizona and other parts of the world. So this is perfect. And let me show you how it works, right? So there is a button here, and the button is a genius button because you click on it once. It also tells you how much power you have when you click on it. And of course, you click on it once, it turns on. If you guys can see, that's just a regular light, all right? And of course, when you switch the knob here, I'm gonna show you the knob. It goes from one end to UV light. If you guys can see that UV light's right there. All right, that's a UV light. And then it goes to the other one, all the way to the other side, and that's the other light. All right, this is more like a more highlight than the actual other one. That's a beam. All right, so this different lighting effects that you guys see in here, and then with a push of a knob, you could go from one light to other. All right, so it's very simple to use this. All right, one's a wider range of light, and the other one's a shorter point of beam. All right, now we're going to show you some of the stuff that I'm going to talk about. The laser, on the laser, I'm going to point it down so you guys can see it, and there's the actual laser on there. All right, and you can see it now. Be careful not to point it on people's eyes or anywhere in the sky. Just be careful because it's a hazard. And just be aware that in certain states and certain countries, you're not allowed to do certain things like that. But I use this for presentation. So when I'm doing a presentation, I want to point out certain things. This is what I'm going to do. So if you guys are looking for a very durable, beautiful, elegant, well-built light, this is it.